Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to set up Smarters Pro, and without wasting any of your time, let's begin. Once you launch Smarters Pro, get ready to chart your course. The app might ask you to agree to some terms and conditions. Think of them as friendly agreements to keep everyone safe. Then, you'll have two options: using a playlist or entering extreme codes. Imagine the playlist as a detailed map, while extreme codes are like secret clues to hidden channels. We'll break down both methods so you can choose your preferred path. If you already have an account with your IPTV service provider, simply enter your login credentials. However, if this is your initial interaction with the app, look for an option to sign up or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions, providing the necessary details like your email address, desired username, and password. For the playlist option, grab your map, which your IPTV service should provide, and carefully enter the URL listed there. It might look like a jumble of letters and numbers, but it's the key to unlocking your personalized channel bounty. Once you enter it and click Add, watch as your treasure chest fills with channels, ready for exploration. If you prefer the code route, your IPTV service will provide you with a unique extreme code. Think of it as a special password unlocking hidden channels not found on the main map. Enter the code carefully, hit Add, and witness the magic unfold as new channels materialize, each a potential gem waiting to be discovered. Now the question you might be asking yourself is, where to find the details that I will use to put there is simple. You must subscribe in a service provider's that will give you all details to fill here, like username, password, and link, or some may give you M3U link that you can use, and you'll be given after paying for subscription, or maybe a free trial if it is available. One important issue you have to understand is this: some providers may be illegal, and you have to avoid them at any cost. So make sure you use legal services and you use them legally, guys. I created a video before about how you can differentiate between legal and illegal services to help you to not fall on the wrong services. Link is on description, and make sure you watch it for your own safety. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.